Hi, I'm Derrick Stout. I'm an engineer at weBoost. Today, we're going to be talking about our newest cell phone signal booster, the weBoost Dash. This is our first cell phone signal booster that incorporates wireless charging into the inside antenna, so you can enjoy a full charge on the go, as you're also getting the benefit of that stronger signal. This system, like all weBoost systems, is made up of three main components: the outside antenna, the signal booster, and the inside antenna. This kit includes an easy-to-install magnetic mount antenna. You can simply attach it to the roof of your vehicle. We also include options in the kit for vehicles that won't support a magnetic mount. Inside the vehicle, we have the signal booster. In this vehicle, I have it installed underneath the driver's side seat. And it's got Velcro attachment, so you can peel that off and attach it pretty easily to any location inside the vehicle, whatever's most convenient for you. The signal booster is the main portion of the system. We'll connect the outside antenna here, which we've already showed you where that goes, in the inside antenna on this side, as well as the power. Here we have the signal booster installed underneath the driver's seat. We have the signal boosting wireless charger and the power connected to this side, and the outside antenna connected to this side. So from the signal booster, you can run the power cord at any convenient location and connect it to your cigarette lighter adapter. This power supply comes with a switch, so you can easily turn the device on and off. The last component of the system is the signal boosting wireless charger. This goes on the inside of the vehicle as well, up where you're going to be using your phone. This includes an adjustable antenna to align with the bottom of your phone so you can get the best signal, and also a magnetic mount. My phone has a magnetic circular ring that easily mounts. If your phone doesn't support a magnetic mount, we also include in the kit a ring that can be attached with an alignment guide. So that concludes the installation of our weBoost Dash with the wireless charging. If you need any more information, please visit weBoost.com.